Dean!
Hello.
Alright, there's Dean with his hair system on. What we've done with Dean is we've ordered two, so he's going to alternate them. As you can see from this video, he looks fantastic as it is. And as soon as Ollie, who you can see in the back mirror, wave Ollie.
Hello.
There we go. As soon as that's fitted, then we're going to get Dean alternating the systems every time he comes in. At the moment, Dean comes in every couple of weeks because he's working with us, teaching him how to do hair systems, how to attach and so forth. So this is pretty much an educational for all the viewers on YouTube. So give us a smile, Dean. And you can see it looks good already. So that's not bad. And then having a system fit today. Good job. Right, here we go. Ollie's just spraying the lace release into Dean's hair system, and then it peels back reasonably easy. If anyone hadn't seen Dean before, Dean had micropigmentation, which I thought looked alright, but you just got fed up with the look, didn't you, Dean?
Yeah.
And didn't like the shaved head look, did you? So you've gone into hair systems. There we go. Ollie's just sprayed some amber or C22, and that just helps remove the adhesive. It's a solvent, as you can see, citric colour. Right, so Dean was just telling me, well, we're going to keep it nice and clean, but to state the obvious, Dean, that you feel more confidence when you're out enjoying yourself.
Yeah, loads more confident.
And chatting to people, whether it be men or women, isn't it, really, in conversation, you just feel better.
It's just the anxiety of places I used to before. Never used to feel comfortable walking into crowded places.
Yeah.
Think everyone's staring at you and stuff, and yeah, just with the system, feels a lot more at ease. And
you just walk in, breeze in.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic. You're making the most of it, which is a great part. Right, so this is called the snow look. I've decided. That's shaving the top of the head, getting all the fluff off, or the hair, the stubble, and that helps with the bond, especially with the top of the head all over bond. And you know, you got to find a razor. Right, this is mud pack. This goes on, is left on for 10 minutes while Ollie prepares the hair system ready for fitting, and this just extracts any oils that are left on the scalp, and it helps with the bond. It seriously can make a difference between 3 or 4 more days extra bonding time, so it's well worth doing this process. Right, go on then say what you told me about clothes in addition.
Just my hairpiece is
Hair system.
my hair system. It's like an extra piece of clothing.
Yeah, hair system. Don't be calling it that. It makes me
So
cranky.
this finishes off the look when you're. So I never used to wear shirts before, so I used to always wear a cap. So now if I go out, I feel more confident. I wear nicer clothes and feel a lot better about myself.
It's made a big difference, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Cool. Just having a little discussion then. Dean said he wants his system a little bit longer. But we have it kind of brushed back anyway, don't we? So that'd be good.
Fully brushed back. That looked really nice, bit heavier on top, that looked good. Not too heavy, of course.
Is that removing the mud pack?
Yeah.
And pretty much the scalp will be oil free now.
I was just saying about with the skin fade, his hair is very light. So even with like a number 1, the fade is very light straight away. So imagine you got a skin fade hair and a 1 hair. You're gonna have to be really careful with the 2 up there, so we can blend it in. So just saying, like today we're just gonna keep this fade real low, and just see how we go, and keep our notes, and then yeah, crack it.
Crack it.
Your hair grows fast.
It does.
On the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a bit mean, wasn't it? But you are getting you are getting some hair on your head.
Yep.
Yeah, these side bits grow back so fast.
Looks like we might have the same sense of humour, Ollie.
that was good. I know. I planned that all week. This is basically just giving me a guideline. I can't go up any higher than this. And I need to blend in a skin fade into this. That'll do.
Nice and fresh for Cheltenham Wednesday.
Cheltenham.
New suit.
What kind of suit do you get?
I got a question.
Ray.
Would you have gone to
Ray.
Cheltenham before a hair system?
I have before, but I wear like a granddad hat.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Peaky Blinders.
Yeah. That's
So
the
now
one.
you just changed all your dress sense because you've got a hair system.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's 100%, isn't it?
Yeah.
So basically, I've cost you a fortune, haven't I? Because you're buying clothes non-stop.
Oh, you can't put a price on happiness, can you?
Yeah, that's good. Good stuff.
Yeah. Spin them on the chairs. Saves me having to walk around every time.
There we go, there we go. Here we go, we're going, and here comes out the foiler.
Yeah.
And it cuts the hair really short. There we go, look at that.
Just finishes off your skin fade basically. Obviously I'm doing it nice and early, but I'm only using it around the back because it is a real low skin fade.
Yeah.
And that is just baby bum soft.
Actually, well, I feel that now it's a baby bum. Oh, Dean, that's like a baby's bum. Your mum would be proud to feel that.
Yeah.
This is Dean's hair system. It's been cut ready to be fitted on the lace. And you can see from this, the lace colour is quite light, which will blend in with his skin tone.
Okay, so now I'm just blending in this is my 1 guard.
Yeah.
Got my 1.5 on at the moment. I'm just trying to start blending it in.
Taking
to
the
my number
lines,
2
isn't it?
at the
Taking the
top.
lines away, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you've done it in 3 levels then basically, and then just work, once you've done that, you're working through your lines. Is that safe to say?
Yeah. Near
in-
enough. I mean, it's going to be more. Obviously, you can start to see already that it's starting to blend.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Obviously, it's a slight line, but I know exactly what's going to get that out. That'll be my 1.5 guard.
Right.
And that'll blend straight to 2, and then we'll be done. Cool. Easy peasy. I mean, very easy to go wrong. If you go too high straight away, you're screwed. There's nothing you can do about it. So keep it low, go up your grades, and make life easy for yourself. And then people come in and they ask for a skin fade. That's fair enough, but you've got to know from your own experience that what skin fade is going to suit them.
Yeah.
You go too high, it's not their fault, it's your fault.
Yeah. How old are you now, Dean?
34.
Right, so you can remember short back and sides then?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Skin fade is short back and sides.
This is my 1.5 guard. I'm just blending in my 1 into my 2. And then after that, with my 0.5 guard, little grey one, I am going to just blend out anything else that needs blending.
Perfect. There we go, I can see the beard's been done.
Yeah, looking sharp now.
Sack the cameraman.
Yeah.
Disappeared. This is just checking. Ollie puts a bit of tape there where he applies it. It's just to check in the sides, see if there's any trimming to do. And adjust it. This is something we do every time, and then just go for everything just to check. And you go round to the front. And this goes just in front of the micropigmentation. I'll come in closer, I can just see the micropigmentation.
It just goes above
Just
it.
in front, yeah.
Perfect.
Alright. Ollie's just doing his guidelines. Generally likes to do about a centimetre in front, don't you?
Yep. And then I'll put the glue on halfway between my lines and where the system will sit on the hairline.
Right, Ollie's done the guidelines at the front and puts 3 markers, so that's his guidelines for when applying it to get it spot on.
Yeah. I'm just
after the adhesive is on. How you feeling, Dean?
Excited.
Thumbs up to that look or not?
No, I'm not like this at the minute.
There we go, won't be long now. Perfect, we're using medical grade adhesive. Oh, there we go, there's a beast. What can we do? It's proof of that hair system. Definitely hair system, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep.
100%.
Right, and then we're putting the adhesive on.
Haven't forgotten once today. Not yet.
Right, so obviously I unnerved Ollie. Just remember just in time, but you know, we're all human, aren't we? That's the last time you're allowed to do that, Ollie, right? When I'm I'm doing it. I can't be having that again. Scalp protector is going on, and this just gives a barrier, helps if people sweat a little bit too much, and it's recommended. Also just gives a skin barrier, not that we get any infections, but it does help with the adhesive being applied. And Ollie's applying it. Ollie's quite artistic, aren't you?
Fully.
Yeah, because drawings or sketches or something, so I should imagine something you were saying that.
I write songs.
Write songs. What's that got to do with a paintbrush?
It's art. Play sport. I reckon sports art.
Yeah, but you've definitely got a knack.
Oh,
for
we did
that.
Warhammer. That's it. That's
There
what you're on
we
about,
go.
man. Warhammer.
Yeah, I knew
man.
we'd get there in the end. I knew we'd get there in the end. Right, so this is applied. How many coats does Dean have? Is it 2 coats or 1 coat?
Just 2.
2 coats.
Yeah.
So this is done twice, and then it cures transparent. So 1 coat will go on, 5-10 minutes, leave it, then another coat, and then the application will be ready.
Head down, Dina. Spot on. And down a bit more there. That's it. A little bit more for me. Perfect. And a little bit more, Dino. So.
That'll
Yep.
say something, Dean.
Hello.
It's a Little Red Riding Hood look now.
My daughter went to World Book Day dressed as that yesterday.
And this is just secure the attachment and the adhesive. Shame about that line across your forehead.
Yeah.
Shaping up good, isn't it? Now the beast does look out of place. Dean's met a nice young lady, and you told her about the hair system, is that right? Because she saw your pictures on Facebook.
Cool. Yeah, that's correct.
What happened?
Oh yeah, she just
She looked at your history.
yeah, that's the one.
Went back in your
She
history.
started spying on me and
She
noticed I
she Facebook stalked you
yeah, that's the one.
and went, didn't you have no hair once upon a time?
Yeah. But then it's been good for confidence because she said, like,
Looks
I've never knew. And
on that note, I've said this many times. Ladies, women, they don't care as long as it looks good. Is that right, Dean?
yeah, that's correct.
No, seriously, it is.
Yeah,
isn't
yeah.
it? It's, guys, that's the
Tinder
truth.
went off through the roof.
What's that?
So my Tinder went through the roof since I had my hair done.
Well, there we go.
I need my
Is
hair
it?
done now.
And that's true as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Having hair on your head. Dating site, Tinder, it went through the roof. You started getting lots of yeses, did you?
Yeah.
Too many.
Oh, there we go. Well, young and single, why not?
It's nice, man.
You're admiring your work then, weren't you, Ollie?
Obviously, I always do. Hey, Bamba. Somebody's got to, haven't they?
Oh, we both are. Fantastic.
Oh, a bit more. I don't know about
Voila. How's that?
Brilliant.
Have a spin then, Ollie. Show us the work, slowly spin him around.
Put my face in it.
You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record playing right round, round, round. Side angle there. And let's have a look. Turn away a bit. Hey, come on. Do you think there could be a bit of a copying of the swoosh here? Huh? Do you reckon? Yeah, looks fantastic. You've got skin fade at the bottom and graduated all the way up. That's it. Stay there a second. That's it. That's it. Turn around. That's it. What do you reckon, Andy?
Oh, I love it.
You do love it, don't you?
Yeah.
Out for another meal tonight. We just decided I'm costing him a fortune since he's had hair on his head. He's
Yep.
young, free and single, and costing you
No
thousands
fortune
in
on
meals.
food. Yeah.
Well, there we go.
Can't put a price on your happiness, so.
Can't put a price on your happiness. There we
No.
go. Have a look. Big thumbs up then.